Hello guys again. Today we are going to test this steamer, a kitchen tool from Silvercrest. It only cost 23 euros and I'm going to test it to see if it's worth to buy it. Here we have 75, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 minutes working. We have water, minimum and maximum. Inside we are going to put the water. It's reachable to boil some water to 50 to 60 degrees to help the steamer boiling and make some steam for the ingredients for your food. Now, that's what I'm going to try. It is this. Some carrots, potatoes, eggs and a little bit of rice. Okay, this is the cup for the rice. The steamer has 3 levels. 1, 2, 3 levels. And okay, correctly. And it is suitable to put the rice in the first or in the second. It is more hot. First of all, we are going to put some water, as I said. A little hot water. Into the max position and then up here. Into the first I'm going to put, let me put the eggs. And why not some carrots or some potatoes. Let's put the second one. Okay, let's put it in the AC power plug and let's start it. We have I'll put it on 75 minutes. I'll watch it how it goes and then I will turn it off. We already hear some sound. And then I'm going to put the rice here. And for the rice, I'm going to boil more water. Okay, lovely. And let's put the rice inside. And in the last level, I'm going to put the other potatoes. Let's start again. It will sound that it's boiling. Lovely. And let's cover all that. And let's see the magic happens. Okay, let me see a closer look. This is the timer, the water, and inside is the potatoes. Here is the rice, and here is the potatoes with the carrots. Well, that was all. Of course, inside in the steam cooker, you can put whatever ingredients you want, meat, fish, whatever you're thinking, all the vegetables. Let your imagination come, everything. Well guys, that it is, and I will show you how it's going on in the processor of cooking, and bear with me. Okay guys, let's see what is going on with our steamer. The potatoes is going very good with the carrots. And the rice, can be better. It's boiling very good. And the last one, sorry, again it's the eggs with the potatoes. I think it's very good on that. Okay, nice. And we will see in the end the finish line. Okay, and let's see. Okay, potatoes are good, and carrot is good, perfect. The rice, it's great, very nice. And in the end, at the end, the potatoes with the egg. I think in the eggs it's very good. Let's see if we got any water inside. Yes, we have some water, and all that in a half minute. Well, that is very nice. That was all, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice, and please hit the notification bell because more videos in the future it will come and you don't want to miss it. I review these products and you don't have to buy it to test it, and you will see through my videos if everything is cool. Have a nice day. Bye bye.